Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Emails for Education. Get Emails is the world's first email-based retargeting solution built for the education business. It's the proven solution for marketers looking to grow their revenue by sending real-time abandonment emails to anonymous users. Connect your anonymous website visitors to real people. Safely retarget them with email through real-time, one-to-one, fully compliant interactions. Email is the most important marketing channel at your disposal. The return on investment outpaces many other marketing touchpoints, and email's versatility means you can use it for brand awareness, lead gen, nurturing conversion, and more. If you offer any advertising for your educational business, Get Emails can also help you make more money from advertising and get new advertising partners. Direct email ads are much more impactful than the basic banner ads that you have on your website. Sign up free for Get Emails and lower your cost per lead by 90%. Get a Get Emails account for free today, and you'll start thinking about how you ever survived without them. Connect your anonymous website visitors to real people. Safely retarget them with email through real-time, one-to-one, fully compliant interactions, all the tools you need in one platform without having to duct tape multiple platforms together. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.